Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to unbox an old phone. This time we have an old phone. This is the OnePLUS One, the first phone from the OnePlus. We had ordered and buy the first OnePLUS One. We have the color here, sandstone black, 64 gigabytes, and the charger in this box. So let's begin with the charger and let's see what we have here. So we have the US charger. It input 100 to 240 volts and output 5 volts. It's white. As we can see, it's designed by OnePlus, so the basic one. Here we have the charger itself. We have here plastic or rubber to hold it all together, and we have the power brick here to plug it in the wall. So here we have the box for the OnePLUS One. Let's go ahead and open it real quick. As we can see, it's very simple. And here we have the OnePLUS One. I know this phone is made in 2014, but really this phone have a very special place in our heart. So we just bought it for fun and to have it around. As you can see, it's held from this little plastic, so it's good if we take out all. And we can see underneath we have the pin for our SIM card. Here we have the OnePLUS One. As we can see, is very good. No scratches, even though this is an old phone, used phone, how you want to call it. But it's very good in using. Now we can go ahead and power it on. Here we have the OnePlus logo, powered by Android. Very good color in the back as well. It's still powering on. Now it gives me a one vibration to tell me that it's starting. Here we can see the time, the date. If we swipe up, we have OnePLUS One without any apps installed, is just being used. So we can see that is still usable. It functions really good, and it doesn't have any problem at all with anything. We can see here that everything is going smoothly. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular network, data usage, more for options. Here we have more options. In device we have sound, display, light, theme, notification, lock screen, buttons, gestures, battery, security, memory, user. In personal we have system profile, status bar, apps, accounts, privacy, Google and location. In the system we have date and time, accessibility, storage and USB, language and input, backup and reset, printing, and about phone. If you go here in about phone, we can read about the phone information. We have system update, we have status. Here we have the Android version 6.0.1, and we have all the information about the phone. As we can see, this OnePlus is very good. I like it a lot, and is still usable from the 2014, even though we already reviewed the OnePlus 7 Pro, the last OnePlus, but we bought the OnePlus One to see the difference and to have the first one and the last one here in our channel. If you haven't seen the unbox video for the OnePlus 7, I highly recommend you. Also, we did a video and we test out the gaming mode with PUBG and Fortnite. If you want to see that, the link will be down in the description. So let's get back to the OnePlus One, which is very good, and really you have no other words for the OnePlus One but to say this phone is awesome. That's why we bought it. As you can see, the camera is working really good. Also the videos as well. As you can see, now we have here we are recording without any problem. It's working really good. So guys, this was all for the OnePlus One. If you have any question, any suggestion what we should do with OnePlus One in our next video, comment down below. We will try to read all the comments and reply to you all. Thank you for your attention and for your time. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, turn notification on. We will see you in the next video.